Hello, my lovely students. A very warm welcome to all my lovely atoms. My name is Anubha Gaur, your chemistry master teacher at Vedantu, your AG ma'am in front of you. And students, I hope you all are very excited because I am very excited for this session. This is my personal favorite. Let me tell you a thing that there is a very famous book that I'm also reading regarding memory techniques, and trust me, it helps a lot. I find myself a better, positive person, and yes, these techniques are super helpful too. So I'm also going to share some of those techniques with you all so that you can also enhance your memory, some techniques that you can follow in your academics that is going to help you to remember the things at a faster pace, to keep the things in your mind for a longer time. So please stay till the end, please follow all the advice that I'm going to give you because this is going to be super helpful. So shall we start? Give me a quick thumbs up or a high five will also work. Yes, students, and please share your comments in the comment section. How do you like the session? Don't forget to like, share, and definitely subscribe to the channel if you're new. And let's start it right away. And don't forget that there is a link in the description box that was pinned by Vedantu 19 channel. If you open it and select your grade, whether it will be CBSE, 9th, 10th, ICSE, you can get the variety of courses that you want in a super discounted price right now, because really we really wanted to be with you. And if you apply the AG Pro code or AG E Pro code, you will definitely get 20% additional discount and maybe more. Yeah, students, and how this is going to help you a lot. There are variety of courses for you students that is going to help you. Trust me, whether whatever the grade you are in, if you'll just go in the comment section and click on it and select the grade, you will get some of the crash courses, 1 month courses, and the entire year courses as well for the upcoming year 2022. And you can select your courses accordingly. It's not only about me teaching you, it's all the team of master teachers, your favorite master teachers that can teach you along with some other teachers. They are going to help you in the Q&A panel, question and answer panel, to solve your doubts, because every doubt is important and must be solved. So this problem will be solved. Your replays won't be bored, like you're just listening to the teachers. There will be a special feature called as the one with the help of which you can participate in the quiz also in the replay mode and can come to a leaderboard in a very healthy competition with the students throughout the world. This is going to be an awesome journey for you students, and you will get variety of notes with our own feedback that this is important, that is important, these are the in-text question you should do, these are our tips and tricks that you can follow. So those notes will be given to you every in every 15 days. There'll be a test to make sure that you won't forget things and you'll keep that in your mind. So at least give it a chance and go for at least 1 month course, and you'll find a change, and then you can go for the higher courses as well. And do not forget AG Pro and AGE Pro code, because that is the one that will give you discount. If I talk about CBSE right now, the pro course is 1500, which is already very cheap. With AG Pro or AG Pro code, you will get it in as low as 1200. That means 6 rupees per session. You'll get this extra benefit that if you'll go for till June, like if I'm talking about CBSE 10th class, they can also go for the course for that is going to finish in June, and that time you'll get each and every session in as low as 5 rupees. So if you're thinking that still if you're lagging behind and need a proper revision, you can go for that course also, and just let me know what's going to be super helpful for you. Yep, students, and now I'm going to start all the important memory techniques that is going to help you to study in a better way, to enhance your memory, to learn difficult things, to memorize your chemical reactions, diagram, and formulas and all. Yes, students, so let's start with the very first one, which is organize your space. And trust me, you know that I might be 26, 25 years old, just a rough data, and at this age also I do this organize your space. I have done my masters, I've done my bachelors, and in those days sometimes it happens with everyone. I suggest that whenever we study, our mind give us plenty of reason to feel distracted, and whenever we start studying, we'll look at all the corner and all those space which is disorganized, and things going here and there, scattering in all the direction, makes our mind disturbed as well. So this one suggestion: don't give any excuse to your mind, and make your space a very happy space in terms of organized as well. Just sit on your table, have a chair, and just have all the important things that you require while studying, and then don't give an excuse to your mind. Space is clear of clutter. There must be no clutter here and there. Suppose here is your clothes, a bundle of clothes, here are some snacks packets and all, and things, books here, and here some other socks maybe, or your books. So it should be properly arranged. Okay, so all the materials you need for your study session must be totally there in reach of you as well, so that this will be a better one, and you'll be able to study for longer hours. So please follow this. The second one is visualize the information. This is one of my favorite. And how this is one of the favorite, visualize the information. Students, let me share a very important technique with you, memory technique called as method of loci. Okay, so I'm talking about one called as method of loci. And what exactly this, that this is plural of locus only. Locus means location, right? And method of loci, what exactly is this? you know just think about the familiar places around you. Suppose I'm talking about your room only, maybe the other room, maybe just a house that you're familiar with. Visualize the information means, with the help of our memory, it's called as memory lane, you can say memory enhancement. You can close your eyes, and whatever the things that you want to remember, like there are some set of formulas, there are some diagrams. Suppose one example, the bones that is there in the food, you need to remember that. So you can close your eyes and visualize the space that you're familiar with. Maybe your room, you're having a closet. Suppose you are opening the closet and you're finding all the information regarding those bones. You are just opening one drawer and you're finding one of the chemical reactions with you, maybe some maths formula in one of the other room. So when you follow the students, it will be really helpful, because you're visualizing the information in your mind, and it will be stored for a longer time. Trust me, there are things that I have studied in fourth class in that way, and I still remember that. Like, ma'am, did you know all of these things in fourth class also? That is difficult to say, but I realized this is the same thing. I used to remember, okay, in this space I have this formula, and this is like this, by visualizing all of this thing. So please follow this. This is going to be really helpful. Do let me know in the comment section after following that whether it's helpful, and are you doing this or not. Yes, let's talk about the third one called as use acronyms and mnemonics. So I think this is the one you must be doing already, using mnemonics. If I come to chemistry, you know that I have taught you the mnemonics for remembering my reactivity series also, right? When it comes to discovery CBSE ninth class, when we talk about electron, proton, neutron, I always try to give the some of the other acronyms and mnemonics: isotope, isobar, isotones, if you have seen my lectures before. So students, when you understand things with the help of acronyms and mnemonics, that is also a kind of memory trick to boost your memory and to keep the information for a longer time. Just understand this. Associating the first letter of each item with the word, phrase, or rhyme can make information easier to recall. Suppose I'm not remembering anything, and we can connect it to our day-to-day life. Suppose mango, and mango reminds you with something. Suppose I am talking about remembering some SST's emperor and all, and you just saw the face, and with the help of some of the facial feature, you can remember that. You can connect it with something and someone. So when you start following that, your memory will be automatically enhanced. You will be able to remember big information which needs sequence also, just like reactivity series. You can make your own song, that will be always helpful. You can make your own mnemonics, that will be super helpful as well. So do that. This is going to help you a lot. Now let's talk about the fourth one, that says use image name association. Recalling names can be easier by associating images and name in a clever and unique way. Suppose you want to remember the name of the scientist, like 4 or 5 scientists, and you're not able to do that. So image name association, as I said, just recall the image, connect it to your mind, and then start connecting with some funny names, or in, in a unique way. Just like I always tell my students to remember, like, electron discovery was done by JJ Thomson. So like you can make a song, Electron Thomson, in that way. That can always help. So it's like a neutron discovery was by Chadwick. So like neutron Chadwick. Let's just take some of the few words. Nacho, maybe. Nacho, something you can connect to, and no neutron Chadwick. This is something that will always help you. Or as I said, just see the image, try to connect it to your mind, and just try to give some funny and unique names and some funny unique ways to connect, and then you will be able to remember it for a longer time. Try it out. This will be very, very helpful, trust me. Use the chaining technique. And what is this chaining technique? Create a story or sentence around a bit of information so that it can be more easily recalled. You know that I don't remember the class, but one time I was not able to remember the history questions and big questions. So what I used to do, I used to remember the entire question with the help of a song. I tried to give it a rhyme, and try to connect it with the bits and parts, and it was really, really helpful. So please use the chaining technique. Try to create a story in your mind. Whenever you're studying it, try to create in your mind, connect it to a story. Just understand it with the help of a story. Whether it's not something that you need to remember, but you're just recalling a story. This will be really, really helpful as well. And learn by doing is something I know that some of you already know, and some of you again must be following. And this is helpful as I have tried also. Whenever I used to give some special presentation in school or colleges, and there are so much things to remember, what I used to do, like 3 4 days before, I used to stand in front of mirror, and I used to give all the hand gesture, used to remember with the help of that. This is like body movement, your muscle memory, and you will be able to learn in a faster way. So learn by doing helps make your foundational knowledge solid and complete. So try to give hand whenever you are explaining something, try to give hand gesture. Just tell this to your brother and sister, and just sit with them and try to explain them with the help of all of the gestures. And this will build a muscle memory, and you'll be able to remember on a faster level. Now, one more is study in different location. This is also what I do. You'll be like, ma'am, everything you do. Yes, students. And I think time by time, you'll also realize that how important this is to follow all of these informations and techniques. So if you're like studying in one of the corner, and you're not able to focus on this one position, as your mind is giving you excuse, try to do this. Just go in another room, just find another corner, just be in some better light. Okay, that will also help you. Lit spaces, not like dull, gloomy places. So when you do that, you automatically feel change and a bit refreshed and positive. That will also help you to remember the things better, to gain more and more information to your mind at that time. Try it out. And this is something, revisit the material that that it is nothing but going through the notes again and again, going through the material again and again when you're not able to remember. So see this, review the material you studied a couple days after after your study session. Like you're done with that study session, and today you're like, just try to review the entire material and try to reconnect with the last time when you were remembering. Okay, this is something that I remembered that time, this is something I remembered in this way and all. And sometimes you feel you get stuck at this point, and at that point, what do you all have to do? Just see this, make a mental note of anything you have forgotten, and review those areas again. That, okay, I am getting confused here. These are the areas I'm not able to recall. So just again make some mental note in your mind, try to recall it again and again, and then revise it again and again, and that will be helpful. And you'll see definitely a change, students. And trust me, if you follow all the techniques that I had told you today, it's like 100% guarantee I'm giving you, that if you'll keep on following this for a longer time, keep on following for a longer time, you'll ultimately see around 20% change in your learning experiences. So try it out, experience it, and let me know in the comment section. All of it is going to be super, super helpful. Yeah. So do let me know in the comment section. And as I told you how to take Vedantu subscription, just go in the description box. Also the very first message pinned by Vedantu channel in the comment section. Open it, select your grade, and don't forget to apply AG Pro code or AGE Pro code to get the discount, maximum discount that is going on. And CBSE 10th class students, you can get a session in as low as 6 to 5 rupees. So don't miss this opportunity. Revise everything. Come and just attend all the classes. You will feel definitely a change. This will also boost your score and confidence. You can follow me on Instagram also. That's chemistry.vedantu_Anubha And thank you so much for staying till the end. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You can connect to me on my email ID also. And in the same way, I'll try to bring as many helpful information as I can. So stay tuned. Please follow all the videos. Let's meet next time. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Hasta la vista.